Hey everyone, my name's Gracie Fisher. I'm part of Cohort 14 and I am at Ettrick Elementary School. This is my first year at the program and I'm loving every second of it so far. I just wanted to talk a little bit on my opinions on why I think that you should become part of the RTR program. So personally for me, I love the atmosphere. When I walk into the building, I just feel all the love and support. You know, as first-time teachers, it can be a challenge to find stuff like that, you know, and to find your place and your role. And so I feel like it is just so important starting off as like a student teacher, as I am now, learning and getting that firsthand experience before I'm off on my own. You know, like there are things that I've learned this year so far, like behavior management, classroom management, and so much stuff that if I was alone in my first year, I would probably be struggling a little bit. So it's been great to watch Miss Mallory be able to show me and demonstrate how she handles certain things and what to do in the classroom. And I feel like overall, this is all just making me such a great teacher. You know, this is just really bumping up, most importantly, like my confidence, because I need a lot of confidence in the classroom when I'm teaching 24 kids. So just building up that confidence and learning how to deal with certain situations with opinions on if I did it right, how I could improve. And I just love that aspect of being able to get feedback on what I'm doing so I can make sure that I'm doing my best for my future students.